Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video you're going to learn how to make more bills in Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're already new to this channel, remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create multiple bills in Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. First thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here, right click on here, and make sure you click on new document. At this point here, you have to change it. Come to the top right here and make sure you type in more bill. The orientation to landscape. Then you're going to have 1920 by 1080. Then you have to change make sure your resolution is 72 and color RGB. And then finally you come down below here and make sure you click on. Alright, so next thing you need to do is to bring in the picture into the workspace. So for you to do that, you just have to let me take a look. Go to my desktop right here. You just drag the image and take it to the Photoshop workspace like this. Then you can press hotkey on your keyboard and increase the build size a little. Have to come to the top right here and make sure you click on this mark. So this allows you to accept the free transform. Next thing you need to do right here is to go back to your toolbar right here. At this point here, click and hold down. So this time around, make sure you choose rectangular marquee tool. Then next thing you need to do is to drag all over this way to select the bill. Alright, so next thing you need to do is to go back to your toolbar right here and go to edit. From edit, you have to come down below here, make sure you look for divine pattern. So at this point here, you can type in what the name of the bill, $100. Okay, then you can hit on OK. So next thing you need to do is to come to home tab right here, go to select and make sure you click on the select. So you are going to have stuff like this. So next thing you need to do is to go back to your move tool at the home at the toolbar right here. The next thing you need to do is to come down below here, make a new layer. Then you have to come to the home tab right here and make sure you go to edit. Then from edit, make sure you choose fill or you press shift plus F5 on your keyboard. And then this is going to pump up. Then from the window right here, make sure you click on here and make sure you choose pattern. Then having choose pattern right here, you make sure you select your dollar bill. So once you select your dollar bill, make sure you tick on script. Then from the script, you just have to click on here and make sure you choose random fill. So at this point here, you need to come to the top right here and make sure you hit on OK. So at this point here, make sure the density is 4.9 and the minimum scale factor 1.2, maximum scale factor make it 1.2, and then come down below here, color randomness make it 0.06, and then the brightness should be 0.11, and then finally you come here and click on OK. Boom. So here you have it. So this is how you can make a multiple bills in Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.